Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. About 5x, we can put into x plus 4x because I want to create about factorization. We can do about factorization in here. So that's it by x. So we have x multiplied by x plus 1. We have 4 and 4. We can do another factorization. Now we have x plus 1. X plus 1. We can do another factorization. Now we need to simplify x plus 1 on numerator and denominator. And now I will put negative number 1 gone here. And we have 1 over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.